Today we're going to see how you can use the Control-Ex system to control and operate a continuous reactive distillation column. So what's unique about this is we're going to use the Control-Ex system to control 3 manually controlled MasterFlex pumps. To do this, we're going to use 3 analog outputs on the Control-Ex system. I'll put together a full video on how this operates later, but today I just want to show you how the Control-Ex system will control 3 pumps. Now these 3 analog outputs are going to control 3 pumps here, but remember these analog outputs can also control the flow of liquids or gases, or vacuums and pressures using valve actuators or pressure control valves. And these can be controlled using our set point controller or the PID to maintain a constant value. To use the Control-Ex system to control these MasterFlex pumps, we had to modify the controller. We installed an anapod adapter as well as a selector switch. The selector switch allows you to control the device either manually or automatically using the Control-Ex system. The anapod adapter you see here plugs into the anapod module, which is controlled by the 4 analog outputs. And this anapod adapter allows you to control any manually controlled device that uses a control knob. Here you see my 3 pumps. I have a feed pump that feeds the column, an outlet pump that removes product from the bottom of the column, as well as a water pump. The water pump is removing water of reaction from the system. The software is already configured. You can see I'm monitoring temperatures and pressures on the left. On the right, I'm going to input my flow values for the pumps. Now remember, the analog outputs output 0 to 4 volts. 0 is 0 speed, 0 flow, and 4 volts is 100% flow. I could calibrate these numbers to actual mils per minute, but these pumps just aren't that accurate. What's more important for me is to know the precise values I'm putting in to keep the system balanced. So I normally keep voltage. I just enter a value from 0 to 4 and keep track of the volumes that are fed and removed from a column, and then back calculate the actual flows once the system is done. Okay, I'm going to turn the feed pump on to 1 volt, and you see it's running. I'll turn the water pump on to 1 volt. And again, you see this is running. And the outlet pump I'm going to put at 1 volt as well. And you see that one's running too. Let's increase the voltage to 2 on the feed pump. You see it's going faster now. Same with the water pump, as well as the outlet pump. Let me turn the feed pump to full speed at 4 volts and the outlet pump to 4 volts for full speed. So the pumps are running, and you can also see on the chart that everything is being recorded and displayed as you make these changes. Let me turn everything off, put in zeros for off, and you see everything is stopped. So that's a quick demonstration of how you can use the Control-Ex system to control a variety of different types of pumps using analog control outputs.